Imagine elevating your supply chain career by harnessing the power of AI in a way that transforms everyday challenges into opportunities for innovation. As a supply chain analyst, you're already adept at deciphering complex systems and making critical decisions under pressure. Now, picture a scenario where you can predict disruptions weeks ahead, automate routine inventory tasks, and uncover meaningful patterns hidden within massive datasets. This course on AI for supply chain analysts is designed to shift you from simply responding to changes to confidently driving them. In this course, you'll dive into hands-on video lessons and engage with countless practical prompts crafted specifically for the supply chain world. With every module, you build new actionable skills that enhance efficiency and streamline your daily workflow. Most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Think of it as not just acquiring knowledge, but investing in a toolset that reinforces your invaluable role in the industry. You don't need previous technical experience to jump in. The content is tailored for supply chain professionals, ensuring every lesson is practical and instantly applicable. Whether it's understanding predictive analytics, mastering inventory optimization, or learning how to integrate generative AI into your routine, you'll find the guidance you need to stay ahead while the industry evolves around you. Take control of your career and redefine what it means to be a supply chain leader. You can find all the AI for supply chain analysts training courses on completeaitraining.com.